Hello, and welcome to Nails for the Week. My name is Lori, and I hope you're having an absolutely fabulous day. I know I am because you're here and we get to play in the nail room. If you haven't already, please do consider subscribing. It's free for you and means the world to me. So let's get started.
All right, today we have got the Vettsy box, and look, it's purple. Cute. This is May's box, but you know, I know it's June, but I ordered it late and I just got it, so don't hate me. I understand if you don't want to watch it because you've already seen a May unboxing, but whoop whoop. But you know, if you want to stick around just because, I would absolutely appreciate it. That would be really super sweet. So we have got this extra little envelope that's almost always on top, and I don't know if it's just extra stuff or if it is actually part of the box. And this, oh look, they even wrote my name on there. Sweet. My June Deluxe box. I don't know. I think it's, yeah. I don't think that, I think that's just advertising for June's box. Like, hey, don't forget to buy June too. So this little envelope, this little light of mine. Sorry, I'll quit singing, I promise. All right, let's zoom in. There we go. Now you can see them, right? They are just smile line stickers. If you want to do a V or a weird V. Or if you just want to do it somewhere else. Maybe you want to put a corner on the edge of your nail or a weird swooshy thingy. Who knows? Whatever you want to do. We have some zigzag stickers as well. They're just guides, or I guess I've never tried to leave those on the nail and paint over them. I don't know. I guess they're a little thicker, so I guess I wouldn't recommend. Here is all of Vetsy's info. If you want to take a screenshot or if you want to check them out. And, yep, about Vettsy and all the information you may want. And then we have got a cute little butterfly and flower sticker, as well as some word stickers. Street, love, Paris, shining, collection, style. I can't read all of them, but like, what is this word? Does anybody know? I mean, I think that's shining. It could be skinny. I don't know. But if you know what that word is, I mean, there's a bigger one of that same word, I think. Oop, there you go. Let me know down in the description box below. Ooh, maybe it's spinning. I don't know. I don't know. How many people really read your nails anyway? So, all right, we've got the really pretty pink heart bubble wrap and the Vettsy sticker. Closing her on, and then we will give you a little sneaky peek before I move it on over. Moving on up. Moving on up to the top. Ooh, we have got a square oval brush. I wonder if these are the new. I wonder if these are the new ones. I know they were coming out with brand new brushes, brand new gel brushes. It comes with a lid. I am definitely going to try that one out. That will be really cool. That would be fun. We've got some of these little broken, it's almost like little chunks of glass or something. Glass or rock. Ugh, sorry about the crinkle. If you don't like it, if you like it, well, I hope you enjoyed. All right, yeah, they're like little chunks of glass or something, but they're all painted up in different metallic hues. Really pretty. Very pretty. I don't know. I guess I'm a little chicken to use these on my nails. Like if I put them in acrylic, then, you know, are they going to harm my drill bit? Or if I put them on top of my nail, am I going to end up cutting myself with them? Because those pieces are really sharp. Some of those look really, really sharp. I don't know. I guess I'm just, yeah, chicken about it. Okay, next up we have some solid nail tips glue. I actually have, this will be the third one I think I've gotten of these in these boxes. It works. I mean, it's nothing, it's not any better or worse than any other that I've tried. It works great. I'm glad to have it. Okay, let's see. We've got some pretty little stars. Go ahead and take one or two out of the bag here. There's actually quite a few in here. They're a little small, but not really that bad. They're small enough to where you can use them on a very short nail, or you could use a couple on a longer nail, a couple, three on a longer nail. They have a little jewel in the center. They're cute. Very pretty. They look nice. There you go. Boop, boop. Okay. I only laugh because I just did a Shein unboxing and I had bought myself some of these, but they're not identical. These are more like bubbles, and the ones that I purchased are cut. So they're more like gemstones, and these are a lot bigger than the ones that I purchased as well. They're iridescent, and they've got the paint on the back of them to give them a solid color, a solid look as well. They're very pretty, very nice. You get quite a few of them in this bag too. There's quite a few in there. All right. And we have some dragonflies. I love dragonflies. Just little resin charms, little resin dragonflies. Let's see what few different colors we have here. Some yellow and pink, blue ones. There you go. And a purple one. You can't really see that he's purple. Yeah, he's purple with a gold tail. They're very cute. I love dragonflies. I know, I'm like, I don't know. I don't know, you guys. I just like dragonflies. I think they are just beautiful. All right. And we have got a magnet with a swatch square. So we know there's a bottled polish in here somewhere. And, ooh, cat eye pigment. I wonder. So, I wonder if you put this on like a chrome. Is that what the thing is for? Put it on like a chrome and then it still moves with the magnet? That'll be fun to try. You know, we might have to just try this out. Well, it says 2-in-1. So does that mean that it's a chrome and a pigment? So you could just like, you could put it on like a chrome, because it is, or does look like it is a multi-chrome, a dual chrome. Well, it's nice that they keep this, put the sticker on so that you're not losing all your powder in the bag. Because if you can see, no, you really can't, maybe this way. It's kind of a purple and a gold. but with a gold shift. There you go. Like a dark burgundy and a gold with a gold shift. I wonder. Just because I happen to have. Ooh, look at that. That is funky. We'll just right over the Vettsy name. See how all of that powder just pulls right up and falls down? That is kind of cool. Anyway, quit messing around. People want to know what's in the box, right? Right. Alright. We have got some gemstones. They are clear. There's a bunch of round ones, but there are shapes in here as well. A little triangle and a moon. Some of those S-shaped ones, teardrops. They're cute, not bad. Flower gel, flower field gel. Let's see. This is number FG03. I'll forget that. Oh, oh Lord. Alright, this is what the flower gel looks like, all opened up. It's got some really pretty matte glitters in there, just a nice little mix. Oh, Flower Field 03. And then we got Midnight Gel, which I opened these both off camera because I couldn't get it. It was very, very hard. My husband opened them for me. I kind of made a mess with this one. This is the Moonlight Gel ML01, and it shines pink on darker surfaces. And I'm sure yellow, bright yellow, it's so pretty. I really like this. You know, I could put this over just a white and it'd be beautiful. But that is why I wear gloves, right? It's back on. Actually, if you look at it, it's kind of go together pretty well. It's a nice kind of spring box so far. Okay, what should we look at next? Let's look at this. This is the back. This is the front. So this is B. And this is, I don't believe that it's chrome powder. I think it's mostly for, you know, those blush nails that you see, that you've been seeing, I've been seeing around anyway, where it's a nude nail with like a pink, almost looks like you're putting blush on a doll, where it's just like a little round thing of blush. And I think that's what this is. It comes with 4 of these eyeshadow applicators. And I cannot read the back to save my soul, so I think we just kind of wing it. Put it on like eyeshadow and call her good. What do you think? Okay, and this, there is a glass thing here, but it does have a cover if you want it. Although we've got just white cream. These are mattes. These first 6 are mattes, and then these are really shimmery. That one's gonna look awesome. Okay, that's cute. And we've got a shading pen in mauve color, pinky mauve. Ooh, look at that. I know, I want to play with it. Can you see? Can you see? Oh, look at that. It's kind of like a marker, but like watery. I don't know if, then if you put more on, it gets darker. I don't know. Something else to play with. I don't think I've ever seen anything like this. I mean, this is a number 6. Be interesting to play with. Next up, we have some soap that the bow is falling off of. Let's see. I don't know. I don't know. Well, I'm gonna open it up just because the only thing that I can smell is the gel. This gel that I've got all over my gloves. So I just want to see what it looks like. Nice thick paper. It's just white. So smell? It's got a nice flowery scent. I can't put my finger on the flower though. It's a nice light springy scent. It's floral for sure. I just don't know what type of flower it is. I don't know. All right, what do we got? We have got gel polish. That's all it says. Gel polish. Like, okay, gel polish. The Ivy. It's kind of cool. Different than their normal bottles. I wonder if they're moving to this. It's cute. It's a nice. The Ivy. Isn't that the same as one of their solid gel polishes? I wonder. I like the brush. Look at the brush. It's like rounded or cut off on one end. On one side, and it's fully rounded the rest of the way. I don't like it. Hold on, let me. Okay, now here we go. This doesn't have a number, but the name, the Ivy, is the same as this one here. So we'll just oh yeah, that's absolutely identical. That's kind of cool. So if you want regular polish instead of solid gel colors, if you want gel polish colors instead of solid gel, they've got you covered. I'm not exactly sure where you have to look for this, but that's kind of cool too. It's nice to have that option, especially if you're not a huge fan of the solid gels. I do prefer a good polish, but that's just me. Just because I like the self-leveling. All right. We have more crinklies. We have solid gel tips, long almond, 500 pieces, 10 sizes. Let's see what they look like. Okay, come on. There we are. And they have the numbers up here. You probably cannot see them because they are tiny numbers. And we are going to, like, okay. All right, my nails are about as long as I can handle them at work. So my finger starts here and my nail ends there. These suckers are long. Definitely long. Now this is a 0. That's a 9. There you go. This is the tiniest and the largest one in there. Holy bigness. I know that they would definitely work for me, but I might have to snip off the top just to get stuff done, just to be able to work for a living, whether I want to or not. Ooh, look, we've got some stickers in here. Look at these real quick. Those are kind of nice. They're just actual strips. You just cut what you want. Then you can kind of add these. It's like those, I think, would cover, like that would cover your thumb, your whole thumb if you wanted to, or you could just have a line going that way. Well, yeah, either way, either or. They're cute. I like these. Just all different types of stars. Silver holographic. I don't know about these stupid evil eyes that everybody keeps getting. There we go. That's a little better. I think you can be back just a little bit. Yeah, I'm not into the evil eyes. Just not. I don't know. Everybody's into something different. That's why we get the mystery boxes, so that we can maybe try something new. This is impossible. I can't see it at all. I'm so sorry. These are obviously white stickers that, you know, hey, maybe you can see a little bit. There's rainbows, stars, moons, sun, all up on there. Okay. All right, what do we got next? Ooh, we have an acid-free primer. I have never had any of their primers. It's like, I really like their packaging there. I don't know if they still, well, they obviously still do that for some, but that's nice to have. All right, here's the polish that goes with the magnet and the swatch that we found earlier. I don't know where it is now. Sorry. Okay. Does anybody have any bets on what color it is? Quick, leave a comment down in the comment section below. Tell me what color it is. Here's a little cheat. JC01-05. Anybody? Leave your comment. All right. We ready? That is the one thing about Vettsy that I just don't like. I wish they would go ahead and mark these for me. Ooh, that's pretty. Look at that. Nice, like a deep purple with, I bet there's a pink line in there. All right, here we are. Find my magnet, quick. All right. What are you supposed to have? I've never tried it this way before. Just doing it. Kind of a silvery, just a lighter purple. Just a lighter purple. That is a really pretty, kind of a dark, dusty purple. Very nice. Very nice. All right, and we are down to these 4 solid gel polishes. So I'm going to open them up and I'll be back in 2. Okay, start with this. We'll just do a number order, huh? This one is called Stunning, and you can see that it is a little bit transparent. because it fades off onto this side. And that color is very pretty coral. I like it. I don't see where this color matches at all, but you know, maybe it looks more like that when it's being painted on. Not sure. Just to let you know, these all were double sealed. So there was the plastic on the outside and then there was a seal on the inside covering the polish. So this is number 78, Verbena. It's a nice pale lilac color. Very pretty. Next up we have 106, the one. Look at that. It's like a purple mauve color with a blue shimmer running through it. Very pretty. And last but not least, this one looks like it's going into transparent too. So pretty. Whoops. 123, Frozen. Nice deep dark blue. Yeah, that's got to be a transparent color. So pretty though. Well, that is it for this box. It was definitely chock full. What do you guys think? Did you guys get the May box? Did you get the same things that I did? If you enjoyed this video, please leave me a like. And if you're not already, please do consider subscribing. Hit the little bell icon too, so that YouTube will let you know whenever I upload a new video. And I will see you again next time. Bye!